Hello everyone. Right now I'm just about finished with sticking on our paneling. As you can see, I've secured it to all of our frame with some 1¼ inch coarse wood screws. Just look for the purple box if you go to the big box stores, Home Depot, Lowe's. Not too concerned with little tiny gaps in between these, because I'm going to be filling those in with some HVAC foil tape, because right behind this stuff is going to be a 3/4 inch foam insulation board. Basically just going to cut it down, stick it in there, and then we're going to have our 5/8 or 1/2 inch plywood on the outside, and then aluminum skin over that. So this is just basically to give us a surface to adhere our interior trim to, and that's basically going to be a wainscoting that I'm going to trim out with some chair rail and some baseboard, and just going to give it a nice finished look. So this is just like the inside of our skin here. So right now what we're going to do is, after we stick that tape on, as you can see up here on some of our top boards, I've started to make some holes with a spade bit. I believe those are 1/2 inch or 5/8 holes. I have those running through each of the boards back here. You see all the way back, all the way back, all the way to our very back board. And then this one is going to actually have a cut in the vertical portion, so we can run our wires down here and behind our board, and those are going to go all the way down the back wall and down there into a fuse board. Each electrical component is going to run through a fuse. I'm going to put 20 amps in there, and that in turn is going to run to our battery, and then the negative side is going to run to a ground bar. And then over here, adjacent to our door, I'm going to install probably a 1 foot by 6 inch either aluminum plate or a black plate. That's going to be where all of our electrical component switches are going to be. And if you can see the rear of here, I installed a 1/4 inch birch plywood panel. I'm essentially going to bore out a 3/4 inch hole for each of the toggle switches, and those are going to run down the exterior of the frame. So our vent is going to be here, our dining light over here, and all the electrical components essentially are going to be run through these gangs. So right now we're looking pretty good. Just got to do a few little touch-up things to our wood here, and it's going to come together quite quickly. Like I said, don't pay too much attention to any of the gaps there. This is just kind of a rough interior membrane. Thanks for looking, everyone, and hope you return again.